Camera and filming techniques. Every smartphone has a camera to take photos or record video. In this exercise, we are using the native camera from a Google Pixel 3 with an Android operating system to demonstrate. For the native camera, open your app and slide the function menu to Video. To start recording, press the round button. To stop, press the button again. Some camera apps allow you to pause and continue to record in one clip. This is called camera editing. It means that the clips will be stitched together into one file instead of separate files. We also will show you how to control the image using a third-party app, like Filmic Pro. This app can be purchased from your App Store.